Has the pump on your pond gone out? Don't know what to do? I'm Michael from Soares Landscaping, and today I'm going to show you how to take care of this problem. Homeowner calls us. They are in a panic. Their pump has stopped working and they don't know why. In this case, the explanation was that the pond pump would turn on for a minute and then turn off. They verified that the GFCI electrical outlet plugging into the pump is working, as they tested other items, as you would normally test it inside the home as well, and that it still wasn't working. In this case, they're just not around. They can't take care of the issue. So what we've done is we've performed a service call, came out here, saw if we could service the existing pump, had some mechanical issues with it, unserviceable. So at that point, we had to replace it. So in this case, we got about a 10 by 14 pond. It can be up to 5 feet deep in one section with quite a long stream that comes down from the waterfall, and pretty good flow. There is a little bit of a dead spot, but simply you just got to get a new pump. Okay, so here for this one, we went as economical as we could possibly go, just simply as the homeowners have sold the home to a new owner. And we've got AquaSurge 3000 pond pump. Doesn't have the variable speed or anything like that. No remote, just pure control of the waterfall flow. So if you got a pond, you got to be ready for this, because the pump could go out, during the lifetime of the pond. And so you need to make sure that you're around or have some kind of safety measure, because what you can't do is leave it not running for weeks on end, because you're going to get lots of algae buildup, a lot of toxicity in the pond, because there's no filtering action going on. Especially if you have fish, they're going to get the water quality is going to get degraded, and so you want to get that taken care of as soon as you can. Lots of videos online. If you're handy DIY, get that switched out. The pump is housed in your skimmer box, and it's really easy to get to if you need to service it. But of course, if you are unable to or prefer not to, feel free to reach out to us. We're happy to perform a service call for you. Either if it's an emergency, do it right away. If it's not an emergency, we can tack it on with your spring or fall shutdown, or as a part of your pond renovation project. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Happy pondering.